Hi guys, in today's video I'm just going to show you some Pokemon pickups that I found on eBay. Personally, where I live it's quite hard to find Pokemon products, so I usually end up buying them offline. I think I got these for quite a reasonable price, maybe even a deal. The first one, which was the free pack, I think was just reasonably priced, but I think the Pokemon tins is where I found the deal. Usually in store these are about £9 10p, well that's what they are on Amazon. I've never actually seen them in store. So these are the three tins I picked up. I picked up Pikachu, Bulbasaur, and Eevee. So I already have the Squirtle one, I just have one more to get till I complete them all. These all come with 2 booster packs, which I'm just going to unbox and show you. It comes with a coin right here, and then it also comes with like this artwork as well. They all join up in the end, there's 5 of them, to make like one whole picture. So it comes with 1 Burning Shadows and then 1 Evolutions. Next off is the Eevee tin. This also just comes with the same, a coin and like a nice little picture cards. Again, Sun and Moon, Burning Shadows, and then also an Evolutions. This is just the last tin, same again, pack of Evolutions, pack of, Burning, you know the drill, another coin, and 1 more piece of artwork. Next up, the 3 evolution packs. We got some really nice pulls from the tins. Next up is the Cosmic Eclipse free pack with the free promo cards. Yeah, like I said, I think this cost me around £10, which is an alright price. Comes with the coin and then a little code for the online game, and then yeah. If you've watched this far, thank you. Please drop a like. I'm thinking of doing a part 2 on Facebook Marketplace buying, so if you're interested in that, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.
Shorty know she fucking with the best. Logo shit, I feel like Jerry West. She gon' blow this whistle like a ref. Yes, I got plenty tattoos on my flesh. Drip on me, I tactical my vest. Hundreds everywhere.